Hello everyone, this video is for you. It's a daily video that tells you what zone we're in, what basic weekly plan we're working on, and reminds you of your routines. Take a look, you'll see that these three things are here. There may be some other things in there that may or may not relate to the time of year, but that's okay. Enjoy. Good morning, fly babies and patrons. It's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Thursday, and we have a 3-layer cake. The first layer is our routines, comprised of 5 routines. The routines are the morning routine, the laundry routine, if you still have paper clutter, the paper routine, the after dinner routine, and the before bed routine. 5. Okay, now once you've gotten those done and you just do them throughout the day, you know morning, you do yours before the children, and you know you do your laundry and your paper right after that, and then you step into the other parts of the day, the other 2 layers. Later on you're going to do your after dinner routine and then the before bed routine. But right now we're going to stop after the laundry in the morning, and the laundry's still going in the background. Don't forget about it. It's not done until you fold it and put it away, okay? All right, so we're going to get on to our basic weekly plan. Thursday is our errand day. Yesterday we planned everything. We've got our list, we know our budget, and we're ready to go grocery shopping or to pick our groceries up or to order our groceries to be picked up later. If you're working, you're not going to be doing paper and laundry first thing in the morning. You're just going to do your morning routines, go to work. Now on your lunch hour, you can think about your errands and possibly run other errands besides groceries. Maybe place your grocery order. Okay. After we've done our groceries at home, fly babies, then we're going to come home and put our things away in our neatly organized refrigerator that we took care of yesterday and on our shelves. And now we're going to have an easy supper. Don't forget to prep your vegetables and fruits and get them ready to consume so they don't just sit in there and wilt. Make them edible, accessible, okay? Pretty. All right. And that's it for today. Now, as far as your basic weekly plan goes, and when you get home from doing the groceries, you could either do this before you do the groceries or after, but you're going to go to the 3rd layer of your cake. We are in zone, what are we in? Zone 5, the living room. I'm recording these in advance, sorry. We're in zone 5, the living room. So before you go out to do the groceries, you can do a little 10-minute clean in your living room, or if you still have clutter, a 15-minute declutter, plus completing the process by actually throwing away, actually putting away, and actually putting the giveaway in your trunk so that when you are out doing your groceries and other errands, you can get those things out of the trunk, out of your life, and blessing someone else. Okay. Now, everyone's coming together after dinner. So your payroll fly babies, you've done your errands. Don't forget those things in the trunk today. When you come home, the first thing you're going to do is put on your laundry and go through an inch of paper. Then you're going to inspect what you expect if you have delegated a part of the weekly home blessing hour. This would be Thursday is the second to the last day, so you only have 2 things left to do in your 5 parts, not counting your bed sheets on Saturday. So inspect what you expect. Remember, if the person that you have delegated to with reminders from work and on your break and on your way home hasn't done it, then they have chosen the consequence, and that's their choice. Now we will give the consequence and then do their job for them. You're actually not doing it for them, you're doing it for you. You're doing it for the household. But do the job, because the job still needs to be done. It's 10 minutes, come on. You can do it. I know you're a little ticked off because they chose a consequence. Believe me, they're much more ticked off because they chose a consequence, which is really an impactful consequence. Okay, then after that's handled, you're going, and hopefully it's done, and instead you can say, awesome, high five, you are the best son, daughter ever. And remember not to be a perfectionist. Appreciate their effort, and that's it. Okay, next. You're going to do your dinner. So get your dinner going, and then while dinner's simmering, you're going to work in your living room for 10 minutes of cleaning or less if you don't have to declutter, or 15 minutes of decluttering, including giveaway, throwaway, put away, throwing away afterwards, putting the giveaway in the trunk of the car for next Thursday, and putting away everything else. Don't dawdle. This doesn't take long. You've only worked for 15 minutes. It does move a lot of stuff out, but there's not that much stuff to put away. Okay, Now we're going to have dinner, and then after dinner, everyone is coming together. We're doing our after dinner routine. And then later on, our before bed routine for yourself and your children. Children first if you're not exhausted. Okay, don't forget that twice a day you're checking your planner. You're looking in your planner and you're seeing what's going to happen that day, what's going to happen tomorrow, what's changed, editing, moving meals around if that's what you need to do. Again, I recommend that erasable pen called a Frixion gel pen from Pilot because it is the bomb and you can erase things in your book without ruining the look of everything that you've worked so hard to, especially these, the Errand are like $60. You don't want to ruin it, you want it to look pretty. So, but we don't want to be perfectionists, so we'll just erase. And even though you might be able to see a little erasure, big deal, right? Okay, where was I? Oh yeah, don't forget 3 times a day, clutter check. Morning, afternoon, and evening. Again, this is for mindless clutter. We're not accusing anyone. We're not being mean to anyone. We're not saying, I can't believe you did this again. We're saying, oops, look what I did. Oops, look what you did. Let's make an effort not to do this anymore. You're retraining your little vines. All right, that's it for today. Have a fabulous day, and always remember that you are beautiful. I hope you enjoyed that, and I know that you're going to have a great time in your house today. Remember to focus on getting it done first, fast, make it fun, and get it finished. Complete the process, and don't let those little things bug you that you see that are for future dates. Use your planner, and always remember that you are beautiful.